Hi friends, this is Devansh and in this video I am going to tell you how you can fix unhandled exception occurred in your application error in Windows 10. So please watch this video completely and let's begin. So the first method to fix this error is enable the .NET Framework 3.5. For that you have to go to the control panel, open the control panel. Here go to the program, then go to uninstall a program option. At the left side you will find this turn Windows feature on and off. You have to go there and click on it. Now you will find this .NET Framework 3.5 include .NET 2.0 and 3.0. Make sure it is ticked and after that click on OK. Once you click on OK, this is it. You have to just reboot your system again and then check that error is coming or not. If the first method doesn't work, then the next method is perform the SFC scan. For that, open the command prompt as administrator and then copy this command from the description SFC/scan now and paste it into the command prompt and execute it. Once you execute it, it will start this scan and this system scan will take some time. You can see the verification progress at the downside. Here you can see it is increasing in the percentage. So I'm moving it forward to the final stage as this process will take some time. So this is how your skin will appear at the final stage. You can see verification is 100% completed, and in my case Windows Resource Protection does not find any integrity violation. But in your case, if you find any error, try to fix that, try to remove that file and then type exit to exit from the command prompt and then just restart your system again and check error is resolved or not. So this is the second method. Now the last method to fix this error is perform the clean boot procedure. For that you have to go to the msconfig. In msconfig you have to go to the service tab. Now in the service tab you have to click on hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. So you will disable all the services other than the Microsoft services. Now on the startup, few applications run, so you have to take care for that also. For that go to the startup and then click on open task manager. Now here you can see the list of applications. Now disable the applications which are other than the Microsoft and the Intel application, like Spotify is a application and Wondershare is the application which is other than the Microsoft and the Intel application. So once you have done it, it means now you disable all, you have to disable all the application other than the Microsoft. Once you've done this, you have to restart your system again, and when you restart your system, only the Microsoft related services and the application will run, and this is called the clean boot procedure. Once you've done it, just try to open that application again in which you are facing the error and check you are still getting the error or not. Hopefully error will get resolved. So these are all the methods which can help you to fix the error. If any of this method help you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.